Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am reviewing an espresso machine. So this is Ultima Cosa Espresso Bollente semi-automatic espresso machine. And this one is available on Walmart. And guys, you're so very welcome to check it out. The link is going to be down below in the description box. So who doesn't love a good, strong, freshly brewed from the beans espresso? I'm obsessed with coffee. I drink coffee since I'm like 15, 16. It's a little bit early, but I just love coffee. I drink a lot of coffee, and researchers showed that 1 cup of coffee is healthy for you. It helps to prevent things like heart attacks and even more. Well guys, let me review this espresso machine fully in very deep details, as well as I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about studies and researchers that found how healthy coffee, a freshly grinded coffee from fresh coffee beans, to our health. Well, let's get started. Well guys, this is Ultima Cosa new Presto Bollente semi-automatic espresso machine. This one comes in silver and it have a large 2-liter water tank. I absolutely love this machine. It is actually really affordable price for that type of a machine, because usually a professional espresso machines, they're coming for a tag price of like $400, $500, $600, $700, $800, which that's like, you know, crazy, very expensive prices, while this one is affordable. It's like half of a price of the usual tag price at least, and it is cheaper than the fancy ones, but still does all the absolutely same things of the professional espresso machines out there. And I know because I've already reviewed a professional one with a tag price of $600 here on my channel. If you absolutely want to drop a brand on a fancy one, then go for it. It's acceptable. But if you don't have the money, if you don't want the brand name on your espresso machine, then there is no any reason to spend your money. This is the right product for you. In case you don't like spending thousands and hundreds of dollars on luxury items, but yet you want something that will work and work great in a fantastic way, then this espresso machine will fit the luxury that you want and crave, but it's still gonna absolutely fit your budget. So if you have family or friends that, you know, come over to your house on the regular, I absolutely, guys, can promise you that their jaws gonna be on the floor when they're gonna know how much this espresso machine costs. It looks luxury, fancy, gorgeous, but goes for a lower price tag. It looks so fantastically pretty when this espresso machine sits on your kitchen counter, and it absolutely does all the necessary work. Well guys, let me go deep dive into the details. So this machine comes in this silver gorgeous color with a metal finish that I absolutely love, and it has so many features. It's basically create and like makes espresso for you. So this machine grinds the coffee beans, which first of all you should add coffee beans on the spot, like on the top of the machine. You have a separate like bowl for the beans. You basically put it inside, and if I will tell you how many coffee beans will fit, so it's about half of a regular coffee beans package, like the ones that you're buying at the supermarket. Well, about a half gonna fit at one time, and it is gonna grind the coffee beans while providing a fresh espresso coffee with an amazing coffee aroma, because the beans were just freshly grind like a second ago. The bowl that you are putting the coffee beans into comes with a vacuum cover that made of a rubber, high quality type of a rubber, so your beans are gonna stay fresh basically forever once that you are putting them inside. So you're gonna get an amazing, once again, fresh espresso coffee. It's delivering a very flavorful espresso which smells so very good and tastes amazing. So you can control your brew absolutely with the real-time feedback from a pressure gauge on the machine itself, and it have a steam wand aside for those creamy lattes and cappuccinos, as well as you can just warm your milk, and it is providing a boiling water as well, depends where and how you're gonna move the button. This machine is compact and powerful and adds a great espresso flower to your life and to your kitchen. Built with the newly and highest technology, and it works on the time-honored brewing method, which means it's just classic. It works as all other espresso machines does. Each coffee you will make will be mirroring your personal touch and transforming every sip into a delightful experience. You can choose from 20 different grind levels to personalize your
own coffee strength. You can easily customize your grind size and change it to whatever from 0 to 20. And the strength of your coffee gonna be dependent on the grind size as well, so as higher. While it is brewing your coffee, it is adjusting the strength and the temperature to create the perfect coffee. It have a 15 bar pressure, which delivers the right amount of pressure for the maximum flavor extraction, and it is producing a beautiful layer of crema for your espresso. You know, the one on the top that tastes the best. I love starting my morning with a good espresso coffee. It works on the PID precious temperature control, which means that it is gonna be accurate and stable temperature for the perfect brew of your coffee. It comes with a powerful steam wand, a side that you can move it basically all around, and the wand have this silicone hold to it. So obviously this steam wand is very hot. It's like boiling while you're using this one. So it is having a silicone attachment on top of it. So it's easy to move it, to control it, and to adjust it while you are frothing your milk or your cream. It have a stable steam pressure when you are frothing your milk. So it's very easy to make your favorite coffees like cappuccinos or whatever else you'd like to go with. It's so very easy to use. It's understandable, user-friendly, and natively using of a machine. So you just start using this right from the very first attempt.
Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. Please let me know, how do you like your coffee? How do you drink your morning coffee? How many cups of coffee do you drink during the day? I mean, do you go to Starbucks, or do you preparing your own coffee the way you like it at your home or at your office? Let me know. Well, guys, be so very sure to check Ultima Cosa out. I will leave you all of the links down below in the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, sales, promotions, discount codes, and so very on. Guys, I am an absolute fan of this espresso machine. It works so very well for me, and it comes with everything you need to be a professional barista. Well, I absolutely felt like one. Well, guys, that was actually all for today. I truly hope you love this review of mine, and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO, Valentine.